Just do it, do it, do it.
Jenny?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Since when do you have long hair?
Who said I couldn't have long hair? It's a free country, man. Ugh. God, stay away, your breath stinks.
My breath will be the last thing you need to worry about if you don't cut that shit off now.
Oh, bitch.
Damn, I'm hungry.
Seriously, you look better than me with long hair, and that can't happen. Remember what happened when Solji became too sexy?
Yeah, you framed her and now she's in jail.
You got that fucking right. So don't mess with me. Got that?
Jenny?
Sweet baby Jesus.
Jenny?
Hey, let's fuck.
Sure.
I still got it.
Jenny?
What you gonna do about it, hey?
Jenny?
Choose your character. Mario. Luigi. Peach. Bowser.
Jenny?
次回归很可惜，队长帅智因病缺席，大家也很担心他的状。
Jenny? Jenny? Jenny?
아 맞나? 여기 아니야? 야, 내 뒤로 오라며! 뭐야? 야, 여기 똑같잖아. 뭐야? 나 앞이야? 너 앞이야? 앞이야?
Jenny?
All around me are familiar faces.
Jenny?
짜증나. 언니 몸 되게 시원하다. 만지지 마, 너 뜨거워. 아 그래서
언니
얘기를
심지어
해.
긴바지 입고
오늘
여기
언니 되니까 언니가
약간
책임지고
긴바지야,
해야
저거?
해. 통일고 긴바지 겸
어디 아니었잖아, 그런 바지.
아 잠깐만.
I swear to God, I will kick you in the dick.
Jenny?
여기 이제 편집실입니다.
우리가 너무 시끄럽게 들어.
짜잔. 안녕하세요.
Oh my God, so many stairs. I'd like to find whoever invented the stairs and push him down these stairs just to show him how stupid stairs are.
Jenny?
부드럽게 매일 아침 스윗하게 때론 우아하게 되어줄게 말일래 뭐노 눈부시게 yeah